What's up, guys? It's Epic_noob here, and today I ordered Echo Alexa stuff. It's like I'm in my backyard and stuff, and I decided to do it outside because, like, why not? And my TV's not working. I don't know why, so I'll be unboxing this. So start by opening it. I already opened it. Just like this. Open that. There it is. There's the emote. Take that out. Relaxing ASMR. How do you like the ASMR? Heck yeah. ASMR. Yeah. So it probably won't work because it's not plugged in. I don't even know how to work this. Oh, there it is. It's in here. So I think we have to plug this in. So just go inside. Let's get pick that up later. Okay. So we need to find it. I'm recording, Mr. Outside. I'm recording. Be coincidental. Okay, I'm gonna take this rubber band off. Okay. So I'm gonna take this rubber band off. Then this thing off. Then I'm gonna plug it in. Then I'm gonna plug this into this. I think you plug it in down here. They plug in. Okay, I plugged it in. Now it is on. That's Gucci. Alexa. Alexa. How does this thing work? I'm gonna go get the instructions from outside.
Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Oh my gosh. What? Dude, Alexa is working? Alexa.
This device is ready for setup. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Okay, well, I'm gonna make a second part to this because I have no idea how to edit. You guys know a good editing software, then tell me. Make sure to like and subscribe, and part 2 is coming in like 2 seconds. Bye.